Welcome to the Top Facts and Things channel. Please like and subscribe and click the notification bell. This will help the channel grow and notify you of new videos. Have your steaks ready and take some oil and brush the steaks, because you will always need a little bit of oil in your air fryer to make everything nice and crispy. Brush some oil on the other side as well. Next we have a teaspoon of Italian seasoning that we're just going to put on there. And then we are going to add salt and pepper for taste. Now we are going to let them rest for about 5 minutes, and while we wait, we are going to preheat the air fryer. When we're done, we're going to put them in and set the timer for 12 minutes. At the 6-minute mark, we are going to check them and flip them, so make sure to keep an eye on them. Leave it sitting for about 10 minutes after the timer is done. Now we are going to make a special batter. Add half a teaspoon of rosemary, a half a teaspoon of thyme, and a half a teaspoon of parsley. Now just mix it all and add a little bit of garlic too, then mix it again. Let's grab our steaks, take some of the butter sauce and put it on them. Then let them sit for about a minute or so. Let's look at the inside for a moment. It looks good. We could have had it in for a little less time. In the end, it's up to your preference. Thanks for watching. Please let me know what you think in the comments, and remember to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already.